Okay, so pakinggan natin si Banat Bay.
Yan pa yung question ng mga paulit-ulit, bakit hindi daw mag-appear si VP Sara Duterte. Alam mo,
Kasi nga sabi niya gusto niya ng bloodbath. Umattend naman siya eh. So she is capable of attending her own trial. She has the option to not to, pero she did attend. Tapos nagbigay siya ng napakabaduy na one-liner na rephrasing ng Invictus poem ni William Henley. In this bludgeoning of chance, my head is bloodied but unbowed. Diyos ko Lord, ang baduy ng delivery niya. Hindi man lang siya nagpaturo kaila doon sa mga Dabawenyo na battle rappers. Tuloy natin.
alam niyo ba ang dahilan kung bakit hindi required mag-appear unless the judge, or in this particular case,
The
yung
court.
senator judge ang magsabi na kailangan
Why
ng ganito? Alam niyo kung bakit?
Why?
Kasi ang burden of proof doon
No,
sa
wrong.
nag-aakusa. Hindi
Wrong! Very wrong, okay? Kaya po hindi uma-attend yung mga sa impeachment court ay, number one, they have their own rules, okay? The court can subpoena the accused if needs be. Pero since ang idea diyan, ang i-impeach kasi, ang impeach official kasi diyan are kunyari si Presidente Marcos or si Presidente Erap, 'di ba hindi siya uma-attend? Kasi ang idea diyan, importante yung trabaho nila. Hindi sila pwedeng umabsent para umattend ng hearing. Pero siguro naman si VP Sara, with all her travels across the world, most of the time nagre-rimarim siya doon sa bakasyon, baka pwede naman siyang umattend. Instead magbigay siya ng bludgeoning head is bloody but unbowed, why not just attend and show us her true self? Kasi look, she is a lawyer, okay? Si Banat Bay kasi dito, he will explain to us the legality of VP Sara's position. I don't contest that. Tuloy natin.
doon sa nagdidepensa. Sa madaling salita, parang ganito yan eh. Yung tinatawag sa regular court na trial absentia, yung
Hindi mo pwede nang i-compare yan sa criminal proceedings at saka ang impeachment court. Di ba nga sui generis siya in nature? So you cannot compare anymore. Ayaw niyang umattend, period. Pwede siyang umattend, of course she can. Umattend nga siya nung day 2 di ba? Or para mag-speech ng napakabaduy. My head is bloodied but unbowed. Diyos ko Lord. Pumunta ka doon. She is a lawyer. Okay? She is a lawyer and she is the one on trial. She can attend at any time that she wants, but she doesn't want to for her own very reason. So let's not give her the excuse na ayaw niya lang umattend. Okay lang naman yun kung ayaw niyang umattend. That is her prerogative kung a-attend siya or hindi. Anyone can, yung right to travel niya naman is not, hindi naman pinutol yan ng impeachment court, di ba? So she can go wherever she wants. Now, if she doesn't want to attend, that's okay. Eto, ang mahirap kasi dito, kami naman ni Banat Bay, magka-level kami niyan. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya lawyer, hindi rin ako lawyer. Pero nademanda siya, nademanda rin na naman ako. Pero, ang iba sa amin kasi, iniintindi ko yung mga proseso nito bago ko magsalita sa inyo. It's sui generis in nature. If she wants to attend there, she can. She can even sit dun sa dun sa mga lawyers niya because she is a lawyer. She can even represent herself if she wanted to, but she doesn't want to because for some reasons na ayaw niya. Ganun lang yun, Banat Bay. Wag na natin tong pakomplikahin itong issue na to. Now, do I think she will attend? I think so. Pag nandun na si Sulaika, kasi si Sulaika, there's something in between her and Sulaika. I don't know kasi ako may mga kilala akong chief of staff ng mga senators, ng mga congressman, hindi naman sila ganyan ka-close. Trust me, hindi ganyan ka-close. Pero etong mga hindorotot na to, I don't know. Sobrang close nila. Sabi ni Tito Montulfo, and I will end here. Baka sila naman. Baka sila yung masaya, okay? Maybe they are happy and gay. Gay is another is a synonym for happy. O yun lang, gaya mga lads.